Good morning, students.
Good morning, Aunty.
How are you?
We are fine.
Okay, can you tell me who is she?
Little girl.
Yes, she is a little girl like all of you. She is a Santhal girl. She is Fulmoni, right? Do you remember in the last class what did Fulmoni learn from a teacher? Okay, Payal, say.
Ma'am, rock painting, Sajanta Bua and Bhim.
Very good, Payal. Sit down, please.
Yes, ma'am.
But in the last class, little Fulmoni went to see a Jatra with her parents, right? And she was thrilled to see the Yatra. And in the next class, she just told to the class about various forms of Jatra, right? So let's watch how the little Fulmoni feel actually, right? So I keep the Fulmoni among all of you. So let's see. So everyone, at the video, please. So can you tell me what is that?
This is Jatra.
Yes, have you ever seen any Jatra?
Yes, ma'am.
From where, Boishakhi?
In my native village.
Okay, very good. Sit down, Boishakhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Jatra is a kind of folk theatre, and this kind of folk theatre is performed under different names in the different parts of our country, right? And everyone just look at the chart. It is our Bengal, and this kind of folk theatre is Jatra is performed this state, right? And there are another kind of folk theatre. Just everyone look at the video. So can you tell me? So can you tell me what is that?
Ma'am, this is also a Jatra.
Yes, very good.
Like different, ma'am.
Yes, this is different. This is also a kind of folk theatre. It is called Tamasha, and it is very much famous in the state of Maharashtra in our India. Look, this is the picture of Tamasha folk theatre, right? And there are another kind of folk theatre. Just look at the another video.
Okay, ma'am.
So, students, can you tell me what is it?
This is also a Jatra.
Yes, Payal, very good. This is also a kind of folk theatre, and it is called Nautanki. And this kind of folk theatre is performed in the northern part of our India. See, this is the northern part of our India, and this kind of folk theatre named Nautanki is performed here. Right, students? So today we have learned the various kinds of folk theatres like Jatras, like Tamasha, and Nautanki, right? But little Fulmoni also learned from our teacher various kinds of classical dances from. So can anyone tell me, can anyone know any kind of dance form? Okay, Shalini, tell me.
Ma'am, I know Bharatanatyam.
So can you perform here?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, Shalini, come and everyone look at Shalini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Shalini. Clap for her. Thank you. And take a seat, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so can anyone else perform any kind of dance form? Okay, Shomi, come here and everyone look at Shomi. She is doing a dance form. Okay, clap for her. Thank you. So there are different kinds of dance form in our India, right? So look, everyone, just look at the map. As Shalini performed Bharatanatyam, and Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi are all this kind of dance form are for southern India. So this kind of dance are very popular in the southern part of our India. So can you tell me what is it? Yes, right. This is a marks, and this is the marks of Kathakali dance form. So the Kathakali dancers, they wear this kind of mask to perform this dance. Okay. So in the same way, the dance Kathak, the Kathak dance is very much popular in the northern part of our India. So see, so everyone look at the northern part of our India, and here the Kathak dance is very much popular. In the same way, the Punjabis love the Bhangra dance, right? And these and there are what as Shomi perform Odissi and Manipuri. This kind of dance is very popular in the eastern part of our India, right? And in the same way, Bihu is very much famous in Assam. Look, it is the state Assam, and this kind of dance Bihu is very popular here. So and look at the Gujarat. So it is the state Gujarat, and Dandiya is very popular here, right? So can anyone perform the Dandiya dance? Okay, come here, both of you come here. It is very easy dance. Just take 2 sticks and just stand there and dance in the harmonium music. Everyone look at them. How nicely they are dancing. Very good. Clap for them. Very good. Okay. And there are a very famous dance form in our West Bengal, and that is Chho dance. That is Chho dance. Can anyone tell me what is that? A marks. It is a marks of Chho dancer. The Chho dancers, they wear these kinds of marks while performing the dance. So can anyone perform
Yes, ma'am.
Chho dance? Okay, Sneha, come here. And everyone look at Sneha. She is wearing a mask of Chho dance. Now Sneha is performing Chho dance. Very good, Sneha. Clap for her, clap for her. Thank you. Okay, go and sit down. So today we have learned the various classical dance form as well as the folk theatres of India, right? And can you sum up what we have learned today? Okay, Boishaki, tell me.
Ma'am, we have learned different types of folk theatres and dance form all over our India.
Very good, Boishaki, sit down. So we will see in the next class what did our full Muni we learn from our teacher, right? So thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.